This is the practice test for ratios, proportions, and percents, and here we're looking at problem number 4. It states you drove 85 miles in 1.5 hours. What is the rate in miles per hour? How fast were you traveling? Miles per hour means that we're going to set this up as a fraction in which miles is on top and hours is on the bottom. 85 miles, and we pronounce the fraction line as per, 85 miles per 1.5 hours. And we're going to just do the division of the top number divided by the bottom. That's going to give us 56.6, and we get a number of sixes to the right, and that would be miles per 1 hour. We have to round this off. The problem is rounded off at the tens place, and so 56.7 miles per 1 hour, or we could write it in this fashion here, 56.7 mph.